Rahim, starting with the greatest name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. Today, my talk lecture is about biology. Biology is being derived from two Greek words, bias and logos. Bias means alive and logos to study. The scientific study of living organism is called biology. The subject biology is divided into three parts: zoology, microbiology, and botany. Botany is derived from a Greek word botan. Botan means plant, and zoology is derived from two Greek words, zoon and logos. Zoon means animals, and logos means to study. Microbiology is being derived from three Greek words. Micro means microscopic organisms, bias means that, and logos to study. The scientific study of botany is to study about plant. The scientific study of zoology is called, when we study about animals, is called zoology. The scientific study of microscopic organism is called microbiology. So thanks for listening. Allah Hafiz.